Hey, hello everyone. This is your friend Satvik again. Thank you for the likes, subscription, and the love given to me in my last two videos. Today we will start one new series. Let's ask this elder wand from the Harry Potter series that which series should we talk about today? Elder wand, today which series should we talk about? I guess she is saying about mystery. Sherlock Holmes. It is not like a Roald Dahl and Harry Potter at all. So let's do some magic. Alohomora. Oh my god, it worked. So let's open our Sherlock Holmes series. So this series is full of mystery. It was written by Arthur Conan Doyle. The four books are The Adventures of Sherlock Holmes, The Memoirs of Sherlock Holmes, and The Return of Sherlock Holmes, and even The Case Book of Sherlock Holmes. Okay. So I just love these books, but today I will be talking just about one case of all of these books. My favorite case in The Adventures of Sherlock Holmes is The Hound of the Baskervilles. The story revolves around Sherlock Holmes and Dr. Watson. They are at their home at 331 Baker Street. They see that there was a pipe there at their home which was left by somebody else. Sherlock Holmes uses detective methods and found out that what was his name, what was his profession, what was his name of his wife, was he poor, was he rich, that all he found out. Then the man came there and yes, he had a dog. He told them about a story of the Baskervilles. Hugo Baskerville. Many centuries earlier, there was a man named Hugo Baskerville, the ancestor of the Baskervilles. He loved a farmer's daughter and he wanted to marry her, but she was afraid of him as he was really cruel. Then one day, she escaped from him, and Hugo Baskerville was so bad that he sent his hunting hounds behind her to kill her. So he sent her there, and the men with Hugo were saying, "Oh man, that Hugo Baskerville is so horrible. He wants to kill her." Then they go to the moors to search it, and there they see the girl lying dead. And after some time, they even see one more horrible thing. Hugo Baskerville is dead too, and the most terrifying sight is that in the front of him there is a dog. Through his mouth, some fire is erupting, and he has put his claws on Hugo Baskerville's throat, and he has killed him. So they run away, and from that day onwards, the moor is believed to be an haunted place for the Baskervilles. Sherlock Holmes tells Mortimer this might be just a fairy tale. But then Mortimer says, wait, there is more. Now I will be talking about my friend Charles Baskerville. He was also a great man. He was not cruel. He was my best friend. One day he went to the moors and he saw a dog. And once again that dog killed him. The butler saw him dead, and this proved that the Hound of Baskerville was still out there. Then he talks about his son, Henry Baskerville. Henry Baskerville is now in grave danger because of the Hound, and now he plans to go to the house where Charles Baskerville, Hugo Baskerville, and all the Baskervilles had died. Henry Baskerville should be saved, and for that Sherlock Holmes and Watson should crack the case. Read this book to see what happens. The Memoirs of Sherlock Holmes. The Memoirs of Sherlock Holmes is the second book of the Sherlock Holmes series. In this, my favorite story is of Silver Blaze, an horse which has won many competitions. Then he is lost, and one man who was in charge of him is killed, Dr. John Straker. They are trying to investigate the murder, and Silver Blaze is not there for the competition. The Colonel Ross and Sherlock Holmes try to find him. Read this book to see how do they even do that. It's so mysterious, isn't it? The Return of Sherlock Holmes, the third book. In this book, Sherlock Holmes comes back and he cracks many cases once again. My favorite in this all is Black Peter. It is about one man who was really horrible. He used to just terrorize his wife and his daughter and his son. He used to terrorize them. But one day he is killed and he is found on the wall with a spear in his chest. Then they call Sherlock Holmes and ask him to find out the clues and understand the mystery of this case and who killed him. Read this book to see how does Sherlock Holmes crack this case and even more cases in this. The last book, the case book of Sherlock Holmes. In this book, I would say the most amazing cases are there. In this book, my favorite case is The Creeping Man. It is about a professor named Professor Pillsbury who loves his dog, but now his dog is attacking him. Professor Pillsbury had gone to one country, and after coming back, he was not the usual business of him. First, he was very cool, but now he is acting like half an animal and half a man. What happens? Then Mr. Bennet, his butler, calls Sherlock Holmes and asks him to see what is going on with this man. Read this book to see what happens in this book and all the other great stories in this book. So we have ended these 4 books. The Adventures of Sherlock Holmes, The Memoirs of Sherlock Holmes, The Return of Sherlock Holmes, and The Case Book of Sherlock Holmes. One spoiler, in The Case Book of Sherlock Holmes, Holmes dies. In the next episode, I will be talking about a new series. And do you know what it will be? Indian mythology.